replacing old threshold door seals. This is quite a simple job. Take you less than 5 minutes. All you need to order is a threshold seals replacement kit. So these usually get damaged with a lot of traffic and wear. So the first one that you would remove is the bubble seal. This one's usually the easiest one to remove. It just peels out. The second one is the draft seal. This one is in a bit tighter, so sometimes you need to use a set of pliers just to get a grip, to get a peel on it. As you can see, there's a little arrow here that goes into that little tight groove. What to do is give that a good clean. You get a metre length of each of these, which you would just trim down to size. So I've already trimmed these down to size, but just a nice straight edge, and keep it 5mm longer than what you require, just for for shrinkage. So the bubble one is simple. It just pops in. You can feel the click. Push it right to the end, as far up as you can go, and just work it along. And again, cut it 5mm, a wee bit longer, give it a wee quick bend and slide it in, and that will help with any shortages later on. Just make sure everything is in. Your second seal is your draft seal, so you want that to point outwards, and again cut at the length plus 5mm and push it right into the corner. So again, you're listening for the click and just making sure that's firmly in. No glue required, no special tools required, just a pair of scissors, a pair of pliers and your threshold repair kit. I'll put a link in the description to the threshold repair kit.